How can we send our entire chat history and messages to another phone on WhatsApp without using the internet? To do this, let's open WhatsApp. Now, from this section in the settings menu, carefully select the chats option. Then scroll down slowly and you'll see a transfer chats option listed there. Click on it to proceed. After that, the only thing you'll need to continue is the other phone, the one you want to send the chat history to. So make sure you have it ready and nearby. Please ensure that WhatsApp is already installed on the other phone you intend to use, and that you are currently logged into your WhatsApp account on that device. Once you have confirmed that WhatsApp is set up and ready to go on the other phone, tap the Start button here on this screen. After that, you will also need to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is turned on, as a stable internet connection is necessary for the process to continue smoothly. After you have turned on your Wi-Fi on your device, make sure it's properly connected to a stable wireless network. Next, locate the other phone that you want to transfer your data to, ensuring both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once both phones are connected, you can easily transfer your entire chat history to the other phone using the Wi-Fi connection. It's as simple as that.